Hi, this is Amber from Don'tStopTheHelp.net. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a domain layout. So first we're going to make a new document, about 900 by 600. Very first thing you're going to do is you're going to fill it with a darkish color on that. And now we're going to make a new layer in the Layers palette and create our tables. So use the rectangle tool and create the tables. You can create 2 or 3, whichever. So let's start. Okay. Now we're going to hold on. Now we're going to go right-click blending options and make them look all nice because they're kind of boring like this. So we're going to do drop shadow, distance 0, spread 0, size 3, and then outer glow color black. Then we're going to do a stroke with line pattern, size 1. Then I like to do a pattern overlay. You can do it 2 if you want to, but you don't have to. I use the dots about opacity 10. Click OK. And then do that for all the rest of them. Okay, now once we're done doing that, we're going to make a new layer. We're going to take our brush, it's like the big one, big splat one, looks like this, and we're just going to apply the color white across it. Like that. Okay, now we are going to minimize it. We are going to open up, this is what we are going to apply onto our layout. So, I'm just going to choose 3 random ones. I'm actually only going to use 1 on this one, just to make it easy. Let's do this one. Then you open it up and then you are going to resize it to about 300 for the width. Click enter. You can also apply like anything you want to the photo, like I'm going to go and oops, I forgot to turn the hardness down. Like that. You can also do pretty much anything you want to the photo if you want to. And then we're going to go to Edit, Define Pattern, click OK. Now you can exit out of this and bring up your layout again, and we're going to create a new layer in the Layers palette. Right click, blending options, pattern overlay, and then select the image you just used. Click OK. Now we're going to take any of the brushes that you want to use. I could use this one for this. Oh my gosh, I just skipped a step. Crap. Okay, before you do this, we're going to go back down and create a new layer, and we're going to use this brush that I currently have. And just put colors that you want right there. And then let's use a green too. Something like that. now we are going to go up to the top layer and apply that site model image. So choose a brush. I like to use this one for that actually. And then just click and it should show up like that. Okay, there's the first one. Now we're gonna, for each site model image that we're gonna apply on top of it, we're gonna have a new layer. Okay, so right click, blending options, pattern overlay, and then the site model image. Now we can move that. We're going to make it below it so that we don't see the extras. Okay, I think 2 is plenty for this one. Okay. Now next we're going to make another new layer. And we are just going to start applying brushes around it so it looks better. Okay, now once we are done with that, we are going to create one new layer to create our text on it. So, okay. So you can do whatever colors you want, whatever. You can also make each one a different color. Now we're going to create, go to the second one down, create 3 layers above it. Okay, right click on your top layer, blending options. Do stroke, color white, size 1 or 2. Click OK. Right click, rasterize type, merge down. Now make sure you have your gradient picked over here. Okay, right click, blending options, stroke, gradient. Right click, merge down. Right click again, blending options, stroke, pattern, size 1, and whatever else you want to do to it. Click OK. And that's it. You've now created a domain layout. You can also add other things like update section or navigation, whatever you want. If this helps, please let me know, and I really appreciate suggestions for future tutorials. Thank you.